We always love to surprise and delight our brides globally. And if the price you see on the internet isn't quite within your budget, drop me a note and I'll see what I can do for you. I know that we are currently living through very tough times all over the world, and it is my mission and passion to help our brides feel exquisite, feel adored, feel loved and cherished on their big day and every day. It is something that we as women need to claim from within and allow ourselves to receive from the source, from within of our own hearts. And then the external world will mirror it back to us. So I'm committed to bringing love and joy to every bride who orders from us. And I very often share coupon codes with brides, even if we don't have discounts available. So drop us a note and I'll be thrilled to assist you.